guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another video. So guys, today I'm back with another edition of strategy so that you guys can enjoy and take successful trade even if you are scrapping and even if you just want to take a market for a long period of time. This is the best strategy and this is the best channel that you can find the best strategy. So guys, so this is boom 1000 on 15-minute time frames. I have the best strategy for you to always find an entry in the market anytime you want it. So we are going to be working on our window one and we are going to be working on our on our main chart. You see now on our main chart we have our alligator, and on our window one we have our moving average and we have our oscillator there. So on our moving average we are going to be targeting the minimal level of what of 10 level, and on the upper trend we are going to be taking up our trade on 80 to 90 level. So you can use this strategy to what to catch up a spike, and you can also use this strategy to what to sell and pick up any candlestick you want. So let me explain to you guys how this strategy really works. So on our main chart we have our 3 alligator, and you can only find a downtrend when you are having your green line that is crossing over the what over the 2 alligator. Like what is happening at this particular moment is giving us a sign that we are going to be having a downtrend. You see that? So this particular moment now is giving us a signal that we are going to be having a downtrend. You see, even if it is just only 6 candlestick, imagine how it's going to be on 1 minute time frame. It's going to be about 30 to 40 candlestick that you are going to be catching. So now we are having we have explained the meaning of this green candle to you, and if we see this green candle on a uptrend, it means that we are having a spike. You see, like what we have at this particular moment, it means we are having a spike. If we see it going on on a uptrend, if the green is crossing over on a uptrend, you see at this particular moment it's showing that we are having a spike entry. But let me show you with the help of this indicator with the one, you can trade this successfully without running in loss. So let me show you how this strategy really works. So once you have your oscillator on the 10 level, and what you are going to be targeting is going to be your moving average. When your moving average reach that same 10 level, you are going to be having a great spike. You are going to be having a great spike. So let's see. You see that is the first confirmation you need to understand. You see at this particular moment also, you know that as the market is moving, this indicator window one is going to be adjusting itself for you to have a clear view of the chart. You see, immediately it's going to be respecting that same level. There's going to be a great spike. You see, so like what we are having also at this level, you see it's going to be giving out a spike. So you can easily enter your market anytime you are seeing your moving average and the oscillator is moving on a closer level. You can enter your trade and you can catch up a spike with it. So for you to use this strategy to take down a downtrend, maybe you want to use it to scrap the market, maybe you want to use it to take just only 5 candlestick on 15-minute time frames. This is how you can do it. So what you just need to do is to first identify your oscillator line, which is going to be reaching in between the 80 to 90 level, and you are going to be waiting for your moving average also to cross it over. Maybe it's going to be crossing it over to 90 level, or it's going to be crossing it over to 80 level. Once you have this 2 full confirmation, then you wait for the confirmation on your main chart, which is the alligator. You see, I'm using the third zoom level this moment. I'm using the third zoom level. So you see, once your alligator give you a confirmation of a downtrend, then you can enter your trade. without having any effect. You see, you can enter your trade and catch up the number of candlesticks you wish to have with it. So you see, we have another confirmation at this particular moment. We have another confirmation here. You see, the alligator help you to identify your entry so fast. You see that. You see that. So with this now, you can easily enter your market and take down any amount of candlestick you want to take. So let's see more like this. You see, this is an entry for spike because we can see it respect our alligator and our moving average on the uptrend. You see that. So let me show you the settings of this strategy and how you can use this to trade successfully. You see that. You see there is another entry at this particular moment. Also, you see it gives us a down entry trend, which you can also take. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you also can have it. We have the alligator. Just screenshot it. I'm going to be fast about it. Just screenshot it. So I'm going to be fast. So press on done. Then move to the indicator window 1. Then you add your oscillator. Then you put all this that I put here. So you press on done. So it's having a level of 20, 80, 90, and 10. Then you press on done. We have a moving average, the period of 10, shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close. Then you press on done. So having this now, you will have the same settings the way I have it here on my phone. Just to trade boom 1000 15-minute time frames. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So thanks.